Kasama rin natin sino Jong at ang kapares niyang patok na personalidad na laman ng social media ngayon. Sabay-sabay tayong mapapasabi na, what happened, Bella? Napaunlakan tayo ni Ka-Lookalike Phase 2 finalist Christopher Diwata aka Taylor Lautner ng Bataan. Go!
Wow.
What happened, Bella?
Why are you crying again?
Vampire, right?
Taylor, can you please pronounce your fee properly?
May vampire, right?
Vampire.
Huh? What happened, Bella?
Why are you crying again? What happened? Taylor, what happened, Taylor?
Wala people, Taylor!
Bati ka sa ating Madlang People, Taylor.
Thank you.
Pero mas maganda siguro kung ano. Bati ka muna sa Madlang People.
What's up, Madlang people?
Mali. What's up?
What?
What's up? Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
People?
What's up, Madlang people?
Inaabol niya doon sa people.
Oh, pero mas maganda kung ano, solo niya talaga. Yung talagang pang-trending.
Oh, sige. Paano nga yun, Taylor?
Camera, action.
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fate to me. Edward, what are you doing here? I trust you to protect Bella, but you did not. I will sure you die, Edward. I will sure you die. From now on, she's mine.
Oh! Iba